Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the Windows installation, Part 6, Managing Licenses and Windows Activation. This video discusses the different types of license available for Windows, and it will demonstrate how to specify a license key and activate Windows. As always, stick around for the practice questions at the end to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the A+ exam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel for more tech training content and technical know-how. There are three types of licenses available for Windows. The full package product or FFP licenses that is sold in retail for customers who require fewer than 5 licenses. It can upgrade licenses to full licenses, and the licenses can be transferred from one computer to another. The OEM licenses are licenses sold to a hardware company in which Windows is already installed on the computer when the customer gets the computer. License typically tied to a specific computer and is not transferable, and support is usually provided by the manufacturer, not Microsoft. Volume license is mainly for large businesses, organizations, and educational institutions where the organization signs a business agreement with Microsoft. Administrators can use a single key on multiple computers because the product keys are managed either with Key Management Services or KMS Server that will automatically activate the license with Microsoft. Client must talk with KMS Server to keep the license activated every 180 days. Or you can use the Multiple Activation Keys or MAC. It uses a single key to activate multiple systems. Activation helps verify that your copy of Windows is genuine and hasn't been used on more devices than the Microsoft license terms allow. You have to activate your Windows license within 30 days. At this time, if you don't, a watermark will remain at the lower right-hand corner saying Activate Windows, go to Settings to activate Windows. Windows will send out notifications or pop-ups asking you to activate Windows. You will not be able to personalize your Windows, such as change the wallpaper, accent colors, or themes. Some apps and features will stop working. At this time, you can get updates, but that may change in the future. To change the product key and activate Windows, you open Windows Settings. To find the activation status, you can search for activation. Since the system has not been activated, you can see the activation status immediately when you open Settings. In this case here, click Activate Now. You'll then click Change Product Key and enter the product key. You then click Next and click Activate. This process does require an internet connection. If you make significant hardware changes on your device, such as replacing your motherboard, Windows will no longer find the license that matches your device, and you'll need to reactivate Windows to get it up and running. Question: how many days do you have where you should activate Windows? Answer: 30 days. Question: which type of license is tied to a specific computer? Answer: OEM. Question: what is used to change the product keys and activate Windows? Answer: Settings. Question: What type of license used by large businesses, organizations, and educational institutions where the organization signs a business agreement with Microsoft? Answer: Volume. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, Windows has three types of license: full package product or FPP, original equipment manufacturer or OEM, and volume. You have to activate your Windows 10 or Windows 11 license within 30 days. Volume license is mainly for large business, organizations, and educational institutions. For organizations that have a volume license, administrators can use a single key on multiple computers because the product keys are managed either with KMS Server that will automatically activate the license with Microsoft, or a multiple activation keys or MAC. Clients with the KMS keys must talk with KMS Server to keep the license activated every 180 days. To activate Windows, you would open Windows Settings. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be installing Windows, Part 7, creating and using an answer file to install Windows. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Had Your Back channel. Thank you.